Chapter 1. Kinematics of a particle. Introduction. Kinematics is the branch of mechanics that describes the motion of objects without considering the causes of motion. This chapter introduces several fundamental concepts. Motion, the change in position of an object over time. Space and time, the fundamental frameworks within which motion occurs. Reference frame: a coordinate system or set of axes within which to measure the position, orientation, and other properties of objects. Particle: an object that can be represented as a point mass without dimensions. Position vector: a vector that describes the location of a particle in space relative to the origin of a coordinate system. Equation of motion: a mathematical description that provides the position of a particle as a function of time. Trajectory and equation of trajectory: the path a particle follows and its corresponding mathematical description. Velocity and acceleration vectors. Velocity vector: a vector that describes the rate of change of the position vector with respect to time. It indicates both the speed and direction of motion. Acceleration vector: a vector that describes the rate of change of the velocity vector with respect to time. It provides information on how the velocity of a particle changes over time. Curvilinear motion: when a particle follows a curved path, both velocity and acceleration vectors change continuously. Transformation of velocity and acceleration. Transformation of velocitive: process of determining the velocity of a particle relative to different reference frames. Transformation of acceleration to the transformation of velocity. It involves determining the acceleration of a particle relative to different reference frames. These transformations are essential in understanding motion from different perspectives, especially in complex systems involving multiple moving parts. For motion of a particle: rectilinear motion, motion along a straight line described by a single coordinate. Projectile motion, motion of a particle under the influence of gravity, typically following a parabolic path. Circular motion, motion in a circular path where the position vector rotates about the center of the circle.